Welcome to Maths FBI, Math for Beginners International. I'm Ayodele Adebayo. In this video, we will be converting decimals to percentages. Okay, at the end of this video, you should be able to convert decimals to percentages. As you can see, the question before us, we've got three questions here. Question number one is 0.21, which is decimal. Question number two, 0.215 decimal. Question number 3 is 14.5, okay, in decimal 2. All right, so we're expected to convert this to percentages, okay. Our objective is how to convert decimals to percentages. And I must stress that the foundation for understanding this, how to do this, is your knowledge in decimals, okay. So if you do not understand decimals, dealing with decimals, you may have challenges, converting decimals to percentages. Okay, so you may check out our videos on decimals. All right, so without further ado, let's dive into profiling solution to the questions right here. Okay, question number one. The question number one is 0.21. Okay, so we are converting this to fraction. So the first thing to percentage, okay, we are converting this decimal to percentage. So to get it easily done, convert it to fraction first. 0.21, okay, that will be 21 over. Now what do you have as the denominator? You get that from here, okay. After this decimal point, how many digits do you have? We've got 1 and 2 digits after the decimal point, right? Okay, so that will be 1. 2 digits after the decimal point will be zeros, okay. 1 and 2, okay. So 0.21 in fraction is 21 over 100. So we are converting this to percentage. So multiply this by 100%, okay, 100%. All right, so let's change this to fraction 2, 100 over 1. So what to do right here is to divide. Cancel zeros, 2 zeros cancels 2 zeros here, okay. So we are now left with 21. 21 times 1. 21 times 1 equals 21. Okay, 21 times 1 is 21. 1 times 1 is 1. So that will be 21 over 1, which is 21%. Okay, so we've solved question number 1. We've converted the decimal to percentage. So let's go to question number 2. All right, we got 0.215. Okay, 0.215. Convert it to fraction, you have 215 is actually 215 thousandths. You have 3 zeros after the decimal point here, right? That will be 1 and 3 zeros. Okay, that is 215 thousandths. Okay, so multiply this by 100%. Okay, so this cancels this. these two zeros cancels these two zeros. All right, so we are left with 215 times 1 equals 215. You know, we have the percentage symbol there. 215% over, we have 10 left here, right? Okay, equals, this is 215 tenths. 215 tenths. Okay, we've got 1 0 down. 215 tenths is 21.5. The decimal point will be here. You know, we've got only 1 0 here, so there will be one digit after the decimal point here. All right, so the answer for question number 2 is 21.5%. Okay, so let's go to deal with question number 3. Very interesting. Okay, question number 3 says 14.5. 14.5. So we're converting it to percentage. First, you convert to fraction to make it easier. That will be 145 as 145 tenths. Tenths, you have only one digit after the decimal point. It means you have only 1 zeros here. 1 0. Okay, so 145, so 14.5 is 145 divided by 10. So we multiply this by percentage, okay, by 100%. Okay, so divide further. 0 divides 0, 0 cancels 0, so we are left with 145 times 10 equals 145 times 10 is 1,450. Okay, percentage sign over 1. Okay, so as you can see, we have solved question. We have solved the 3 questions. Okay, all right, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel so you can always get notified when we provide invaluable videos like this. Like it and share for the benefit of others. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to convert from decimals to percentages. Okay, and I said earlier, understanding decimals is the prerequisite for you to be able to convert decimals to percentages. Okay, now before leaving, I have some questions for you here. These are practice questions for you to test your knowledge of the subject matter. Okay, the question says convert these decimals to percentages. Okay, please attempt these questions. You know, practice gets you better at mathematics. Okay, so thank you for your time. See you in the next video.